This episode of Baking with Wrenches, we're doing the good old-fashioned peanut butter cookies. Everybody's favorite. I'm going to whip up this butter real quick. Okay, first, 1 cup white sugar, 1 cup brown sugar. Okay, now 1/2 cup peanut butter. Yeah, some of it made it in there. Get that mixing. Now 2 eggs, I kind of beat on them a little bit. They weren't behaving. We'll get that all mixed together. 1/4 teaspoon salt. And now 2½ cups of flour. Okay, there we go. Pretty well mixed up. Got your oven preheated at 350. Hope so. Okay, let's put these on the cookie sheet. Give you a good 2 inches at least. Okay, some people use forks to press them out, such as that. I use a bottom of a coffee cup. Just kind of dip it in some powdered sugar. Give it a squish. Don't get too carried away. Okay, 350 oven. The way my recipe says is 10 to 15 minutes. You got to keep an eye on it, figure it out. We'll see what we get. Okay, the timer went off. It's cookie time. Well, they do look kind of plain, but they're plain good. Another batch down. Thanks for watching.